Welcome to All Model Car Reviews, your ultimate destination for detailed, honest, and high-quality car reviews. In this episode, we introduce the all-new Toyota Mini Land Cruiser, exploring its stunning exterior design, advanced interior technology, powerful engine performance, fuel efficiency, and next-generation safety features. From bold front grille and LED matrix headlights to luxury cabin comfort and smart infotainment system, we cover every detail you need to know. Stay tuned for in-depth analysis, real insights, and the latest updates on the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser, only on All Model Car Reviews. Front design signature retro-inspired grille, bold upright grille with classic Toyota styling cues, a modern throwback to classic FJ design. Round LED headlights, circular LED headlights with DRL rings give it a heritage look while providing excellent illumination. Rugged front bumper and skid plates, thick bumpers and protective skid plates underline its off-road readiness. Side profile and stance, boxy body lines. Strong, squared-off shape reminiscent of classic off-roaders, functional and purposeful. High ground clearance, generous ride height for tackling uneven terrain and improving approach/departure angles. Chunky wheel arches, black cladding around the wheel wells with all-terrain tires, a solid look and enhanced protection. Roof rails and optional accessories, functional roof rails ready to carry adventure gear. Rear design, rear tailgate and spare wheel options. Some trims offer a rugged tailgate-mounted spare wheel, a classic off-road touch. LED taillights and practical bumper. Modern LED tail lamps with a sturdy rear bumper enhance visibility and protection. Exterior summary. Overall, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ looks like a compact yet serious off-roader. Rugged, boxy, and ready for trails while still manageable in urban streets. Interior features dashboard and layout driver-focused cockpit. Upright dashboard with easily reachable controls, intuitive for both city and trail driving. Physical buttons and knobs, large knobby switches for climate, and 4x4 modes, perfect even with gloves. Durable materials. Interiors prioritize ruggedness with water-resistant fabrics and easy-to-clean surfaces. Infotainment and tech central touchscreen. Available 8-inch or optional 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Digital instrument cluster displays vehicle info plus off-road specific data, pitch, roll, traction status. Seating comfort supportive seats, firm yet comfortable front seats designed to support you during long drives and off-road excursions. Rear seats and flexibility. Rear bench with fold flat capability for flexible cargo space. Cabin practicality storage solutions. Ample bins, cup holders, underfloor storage, and cubbies for gear and gadgets. Climate control, effective climate settings with excellent ventilation for all passengers. Optional premium features, upgraded audio and connectivity. Optional JBL audio system, wireless charging, and premium upholstery in higher trims enhance comfort and convenience. The FJ's cabin feels rugged and practical, built to last, with tech where you need it and comfort where it matters. Perfect for both everyday driving and adventure. Performance and drivetrain, turbocharged engine options, petrol and possible hybrid powertrains deliver strong torque for trails and city driving. Smooth transmission, typically paired with smooth automatic gearing for responsive performance. Off-road systems advanced 4x4 with terrain modes, multiple selectable modes, mud, sand, gravel, snow for different conditions. Hill descent and hill start assist, essential aids for rough terrain driving. Reinforced suspension and skid protection helps handle rocks, ruts, and uneven trails with confidence. Overall review. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ is a compelling blend of heritage design, modern tech, and real off-road capability. Perfect for adventurers who want a compact but tough SUV with both daily usability and trail potential. Thank you for watching All Model Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews.